That was a chayote plant. This is our curry leaf plant. That's a tomato seedling, cucumber seedling, eggplant green seedling. This is the eggplant green seedling. These two are cucumbers, 3 again. That's mint, 2 types of mint. That's again a different type of tomato. This is an experiment to see if I can sprout a plantain. This is a leafy vegetable. I don't know what the English name is. It's used in South Indian cooking. That's another type of cucumber down there. Bunch of chili Thai pepper plants. That's one of the eggplants. Another one of them. This is the big one. Looking good. A couple of pumpkin seedlings. Again, tomato plants that are potted up. Some more tomato plants that are potted up. And green leafy vegetable. Some more potted up tomato plants. Watermelon. Different types of cucumber. Muskmelon, and yeah, I think that is a watermelon. And some more cucumbers, tomato seedlings sprouting, and these are all cooking. Tomato again. That is a bitter melon sprouting. And there is a new type of sprout, and these are all cooking again.